The Tortoise and the Bird by Aesop. Characters: Tortoise, braggart and rude. 2. Bird, modest, humble, and contented and wise. The tortoise was resting under a tree on which a bird had built its nest. The tortoise spoke to the bird mockingly. "What a shabby home you have! It is made of broken twigs. It has no roof and looks crude. What's worse is, you have to build it yourself." "I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than your pathetic nest." "Yes, it is made of broken sticks, looks shabby, and is open to the enemies of nature. It is crude, but I built it, and I love it." "I think it is just like any other nests, but not better than mine," said the tortoise. "You must be jealous of my shell, though." "On the contrary," the bird replied, "my home has space for my family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you." "Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home," said the bird happily. 1. Describe the tortoise and the bird in the story. 2. Who among the two characters would you like to be and why? Discuss your answer with your family. 3. How would you respond or answer to the tortoise if you were the bird? Would you do the same? Why? Number 4. Which between the two statements below would have best described the bird? A. The bird is contented with what he has. B. The bird is discontented with what he has. 5. Which would you prefer to live in? A house or a home? Discuss your opinion with your parents and siblings.